Welcome to the Footballers Quiz. Get ready to test your knowledge with 20 to 30 questions. Question 1. Who won the Ballon d'Or in 2021? Question 2. Which player is known as CR7? Question 3. Who is the all-time top scorer for the Brazilian national team? Question 4. Which footballer has the most appearances in the Premier League? Question 5. Who is the captain of the German national team? Question 6. Which player is famous for the Hand of God goal? Question 7. Who has won the most UEFA Champions League titles? Question 8. Which footballer is known for his iconic no-look pass? Question 9. Who is the highest paid footballer in the world? Question 10. Which player has the most goals in World Cup history? Question 11. Who is known as the King of Football? Question 12. Which player has played for both Barcelona and Paris Saint-Germain? Question 13. Who is the current manager of Manchester City? Question 14. Which footballer is known for his skillful dribbling and was nicknamed El Pibe de Oro? Question 15. Who is the youngest player to score in a World Cup match? Question 16. Which team won the FIFA World Cup in 2018? Question 17. Who is the all-time top scorer in the UEFA Champions League? Question 18. Which player is known for his incredible free-kick taking ability? Question 19. Who has the most international caps for his country? Question 20. Which footballer made his debut at the age of 16 for his national team? Thank you for participating. How many did you get right?